Introducing the ultimate portable fishing boat. It fits in your car trunk. This innovative foldable boat is designed for anglers on the go. With just a few bolts, you can assemble it quickly without any special tools. It's lightweight, sturdy, and ready for your next adventure. Whether you're heading to a lake, river, or pond, you can launch in minutes. Don't let storage or transport hold you back. Get on the water faster and easier. Grab your foldable fishing boat and fish anywhere, anytime. If you're interested in purchasing, please contact Wendy.